In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to GCash Plus. First of all, it's important to ensure you meet a few essential requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. This is because GCash wants to make sure that all users are of legal age to manage financial transactions. Next, you need to have a fully verified GCash account. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and secures your account. Lastly, make sure you're using a Philippine-issued SIM. This is essential for identity verification and receiving important notifications. Now, let's move on to linking a bank and cashing in. Begin by opening the GCash app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, please do so with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the option that says Cash In. Tap on it. This feature allows you to add funds to your GCash account, which is necessary for a smooth transition to GCash Plus. From there, you will see a list of options. You will need to select your preferred financial institution. You have several choices such as BPI, UnionBank, PayPal, or Pay One Year. Choose the one that you are most comfortable with or already have an account with. Linking your bank account is a key step because it allows for seamless transactions. It also ensures that your cash-in process is efficient and error-free. Once you've selected your bank, you need to link your account. This part involves entering your banking details as prompted by the app. Be sure to double-check all the information you input to avoid any errors. This step is important because it connects your bank to your GCash account, enabling easy transfers. Remember, accuracy here is crucial to avoid future issues. After successfully linking your bank account, the next step is to cash in using that linked account. This means you will transfer money from your bank to your GCash wallet. Select the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen. This confirmation is your assurance that the money has been successfully transferred. Once that is done, you've completed the necessary steps to prepare for upgrading to GCash Plus. These steps ensure that your account is well-funded and ready for any financial transactions. With a bank linked and funds available, you're all set to enjoy the enhanced features of GCash Plus. At this point, you might be wondering why these steps are so important. Well, having a linked bank account and sufficient funds means you're always ready to transact. It gives you flexibility and ensures that you can take full advantage of GCash Plus features like higher transaction limits and more payment options. After completing these steps, you are ready to explore the benefits of GCash Plus. You'll have access to a wider range of services and improved financial management. Keep your account details secure and enjoy the convenience that GCash Plus brings to your financial life. Thank you for following along. Feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher. Enjoy your upgraded GCash experience.